வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இதுதான் உங்கள் ஜி விஸ்மாத் ஷோ. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா என்டேஞ்சர் ஸ்பீசஸ் ஆர் அனிமல்ஸ் இன் இந்தியா. நேம் ஆஃப் என்டேஞ்சர் ஸ்பீசஸ் இன் இந்தியா: கிரேட்டர் ஒன் ஹார்ன் ரைனோசரஸ், நீல்கிரி தார், பெங்கால் டைகர்ஸ், ஏசியாட்டிக் லயன் அண்ட் ஸ்னோ லெப்பர்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்டேஞ்சர்ட் அனிமல். இப்போ நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டாக பார்க்க போகிற என்டேஞ்சர்ட் அனிமல் கிரேட்டர் ஒன் ஹார்ன் ரைனோசரஸ். த கிரேட்டர் ஒன் ஹார்ன் ரைனோசரஸ் alias Indian rhinoceros are listed as one of the vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The animal can be found in the India and Nepal, particularly in the foothills of the Himalayas. Poaching of horns is an important reason for the decline in the number of the Indian rhinoceros. There has been a dramatic increase in the numbers of great one-horned rhinoceros since 1975, but there is a consistent threat due to an increase in hunting cases. With at least half of the total population, India's Kaziranga National Park remains the key reserve for this species. More efforts should be undertaken for the conservation of the greater one-horned rhinoceros. Places where greater one-horned rhinoceros can be spotted: Kaziranga National Park, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Do you know the white rhino is the largest rhino species and the largest land mammal after the elephant? During the Mughal era, the rulers used to use greater one-horned rhino in fights against elephants as entertainment. The rhinos would often win. Thankfully, this sport is no longer practiced or permitted. Second endangered animal.
இப்போ நம்ம செகண்டாக பார்க்க போகிற என்டேஞ்சரஸ் அனிமல் Nilgiri Tahr. The Nilgiri Tahr is a 3-ton mountain ungulate clinging onto the tropical rainforest of the Western Ghats. The endangered species have a stocky coat with a bristly mane, curved horns, and coarse and short fur. Considered as the state animal of Tamil Nadu, the Nilgiri Tahr is facing a major threat in the Western Ghats. Thanks to continuous poaching activities and eucalyptus cultivation hampering its habitat, the Nilgiri Tahr population is continuously decreasing. Places where Nilgiri Tahr can be spotted: Eravikulam National Park, Nilgiri Hills, Anaimalai Hills, Periyar National Park, Palani Hills. Do you know? As per the current survey, there is a total population of 3,000 Nilgiri Tahr in India, inclusive of smaller places which haven't been documented in the past.
Third endangered animal. இப்போ நம்ம தேர்டாக பார்க்க போகிற என்டேஞ்சர்ட் அனிமல் பெங்கால் டைகர். Considered as the national animal of two major countries, India and Bangladesh, the Bengal tiger is justifiably referred to as the big cat. Around 70% of the world's wild tigers live in India. Tigers are fast vanishing due to human interference and poaching cases. The natural habitat of tigers in India: tropical evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mangrove swamps, thorn forest, and grass jungles, has almost disappeared outside the reserves. Altogether, there are 48 tiger reserves in India, but one place that has captured the fancy of major wildlife aficionados is the Jim Corbett National Park. There are currently 2,226 tigers left in India. Places where Royal Bengal tigers can be spotted: Tadoba National Park, Radhampur National Park, Sundarbans National Park, Sariksha Tiger Reserve, Jim Corbett National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park. Do you know a tiger roar can be heard more than a mile away? Fourth endangered animal.
இப்போ நம்ம ஃபோர்த்தாக பார்க்க போகிற என்டேஞ்சரஸ் அனிமல் ஏஷியாட்டிக் லயன். Gujarat in India is home to a large population of Asiatic lion, aka the Indian lion or Persian lion, the king of the jungle region, supreme in India, as per the fact presented by WWF. The Asiatic lion can be only found in India. The 1400 square kilometer Sasan Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat is the last royal refuge of the Asiatic lion. Only 200 or so Asiatic lions exist in the wild. Places where Asiatic lion can be spotted. Gir Forest National Park, Gujarat. Do you know the Asiatic lions are renowned as the second largest feline species in the world after the tigers?
Fifth endangered animal. இப்போ நம்ம ஃபிஃப்த்தாக பார்க்க போகிற என்டேஞ்சர்ட் அனிமல் வந்து ஸ்னோ லெப்பர்ட். Profoundly found in the steep and rocky region of the Himalayas, the snow leopard is the descendant of the wildcat and panther families. Snow leopards have thick, long fur, and their skin color varies from yellowing tan to smoky gray. The snow leopard can be easily identified by its tail, as it is 80 to 105 cm long. There are 6,000 snow leopards in the world, but its population is gradually declining. With the loss of habitat and widespread hunting, there has been a 20% reduction in snow leopard population over the past 20 years. In addition, snow leopards are illegally hunted in the fur trade for making luxury coats, and their bones are sought after for traditional Asian medicine. Places where snow leopard can be spotted: Hemish National Park, Ladakh; Nanda Devi National Park, Uttarakhand; Daibang Wildlife Sanctuary, Arunachal Pradesh; Kibber Wildlife Sanctuary, Lahaul Spiti, Himachal Pradesh; Pin Valley National Park, Lahaul Spiti, Himachal Pradesh; Great Himalaya National Park, Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. Do you know, unlike other big cats like lions and tigers, snow leopards can't roar. Snow leopard cubs are born blind. They don't gain sight until they are 7 days old. Mentioned above are some of the most incredible animals that we might never see again until and unless some serious action takes place. These 5 species are vital for the maintenance of the ecological balance, as they play a key role in the food cycle. Extinction of these species will ultimately cause a big loss for humans. So let's act before it's too late. Save endangered animals. Wish you Happy New Year, friends. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் ஜிவி ஸ்மார்ட் ஷோக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.